Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel as Seychelles Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from Bharat. Let's start with your reading, okay? Timeless, beyond readings. Twin Flame Soulmates and Connections, thank you for donations, thank you for support and love, and follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Seychelles Running. Okay, so let's start. I see, first of all, that's your first card, but I'm not going to take it though, but just saw it, so felt like. You have Queen of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe. For some cases, it's going to be your own vibe, okay? The continuation to watch something. You're watching. You're observing. Something that you are almost healed from. Something that you have captured, went through, experienced. May this be with the person or as an individual, your situation. You're watching. Please ignore the sounds. You're watching possible the conversation, the move that you did, you had, the travel you took, the organization you did in your life, and the conversations that you had probably or possibly on a deeper note prior, but those things were in the air. Or maybe right now someone might be having conversation with you every now and then with the concept of telling you something, making you realize their feelings or something, but you're observing, you're watching. It's like you're just seeing. You want to know, you want to figure out something. I'm also hearing the word based on, B-A-S-E-D-O-N. Something is based on, and that's why on that basis possible, this thing is coming towards you. This may be something coming towards you. Someone talking to you, wanting to talk to you, sending you the message. You might have replied. How you replied, why you replied, that is different concept. Everyone's timeline is different. Okay? But you are watching. And that is the main message of now. You're observing something. And this Eight of Wands here is definitely, it's not by you. Okay, it's not by you. It is someone doing it. Again, this is up in the air. Up in the air means something is coming via wire, which is about, you know, messages, email, or how we can put that. Someone is contacting you via sources, obviously, possible leaving the recording, call, whatever they are doing. It's like in lump sum. Like if these are texts, they are going to come to you. Okay. I'm also hearing the word return. Possible someone wants or they are interested in returning to you. But in their life right now, there's a lot going. Of course, in everyone's lifetime, it does go a lot. But right now, they are in this situation where does that make sense? And that's why you're watching. They might be in current relationship right now, or maybe if you talk with that person, it's going to make a mess or create a mess or be chaotic for you as well, because this is something past reflection, and it's also something that was wounded, or it was something that broke your heart, and it is something that you have healed from. You have tried, you healed, you experienced, you cried. You might have cried to, like, you know, tears to the knees kind of situation. Because of this person, possible you were on the floor, on your knees, like, you know, you cried a lot, and maybe in that time frame they were not there, and that's why you're observing. Five of, I'm hearing the word also Fire Swords. Okay, you have Fire Swords. So you drew the line, but with the Five of Pentacles, past reflections, decisions, wounded, cold situations, the seasons, the time that you have spent with them, and now you're watching. Also, this person might be in current relationship. Possible their energy is like, oh, I'm not happy. They might say, I'm not happy, I miss you kind of energy. But how does that make sense? I always say, do not get involved with people who are already in marriages or relationship, of course, because it's going to create mess. Of course, you're responsible for that if you go with that. But it's like the process is such that they're not out of that, and then you're going to enter in their life and they are going to create that mess with you, and it's going to be bigger mess. Okay, again, remember there are red flags, and remember that orbs, those in spiritual, formations, they surround our planet. They give you some signs. Always, always. If we are unable to catch up with them, that is the problem. Okay, but I feel you're going to catch up with that. The decision that was done, someone who walked away, you created distance, and howsoever, even if it was mutual or something that was not possible, 8 of Cups energy here. So this decision was hard, but once done, why people are trying to catch you? Okay, there is something happening. Now, however, these are vice versa's reading. Can go anyways, but I feel this person, because I feel this is you and you're observing and watching. This person here is not happy because of their own karmic lessons or actions. They took it. They took that decision. Now they like talking to you. Why? Because they're not happy in that. So maybe someone from your past might try to contact you. And this may create a whole lot of mess for your current relationship if you are in, honey. Whether you are male listening to me or female. If you're married, then. If you're with someone, then. Because no one is going to give that statement or describe, or give definition to your relationship. If you are with someone, you are in love with them, the dedication should be there. And I feel the dedication is dwindling here. Emotional detachment is a chaos. I'm telling you, these are so many. But I feel someone is getting attention right now. Someone is getting attention here from someplace. You are giving or you are getting. Again, this may be in the midst of like you being with someone, if you are, and having that something connected with like you're being affectionate for someone. Why? If this situation is, okay, maybe this is on your mind of like planning, preparation. I also see kind of like your travel. Maybe you are at distance with the person you're already with. If that's not the case, you are on trips. I see like you are on travel. Possible business related, work related, you are traveling. You're away. 6 of Swords. And you're talking. The kind of energy when you don't want to be rude to someone, and that's why you're talking. However, this fits you, vice versa. And then you also having certain conversation. I heard the word shouldn't be. So whatever is not right for you and you know it, but you still do, then be responsible for your karma. But you shouldn't be when it's not right. Something is not fitting in your situation. This is something that might be making you feel empty or hollow, or made you that way once, and then you drew the line. Yeah. Or someone might be explaining you all of this concept. You know what, I miss you, I feel hollow, I want to talk to you, I was wrong. Those statements someone is giving you. Can you see? Guess it. This is 3 of Pentacles and you have the flip here, which is 2 of Cups energy, and I thought like I should stop. The move that may create chaos, or the move that you're making or they are making, this 2 of Cups is the desire, demand, even demand, they have this, I need to meet you, I have to meet you. 2 of Cups is reunion, of course, but it's also the question on do you want. And this 3 is also telling me that legally someone is with someone, or maybe via work or connection you are coming in contact again with someone, or making this excuse of work and then contacting someone. However this fits you, but this is it practically possible? Okay, Okay, all the fantasy and the magic and everything, you need to believe that's how it comes true. But what do you want exactly? For some cases, someone is attached with you or they talk to you, maybe they're just a friend, for advices and counseling regarding work and the growth. This may be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius trying to catch up with you. If that is the case, I'm sorry. Three of Cups. Once upon a time, we were in contact. Now I want to be back with you. You knew them, you know them. If it's your current energy in your life, or vice versa, this is something that's going to create mess. Don't be too affectionate for someone who is not in the picture right now with you guys, okay? But if it is happening, that's how I see. Aquarius. So you're watching, you're observing. You're observing the talk, you're observing what happened. You know that, of course. You're observing what they are doing. And I must say what the hell they are doing kind of energy while contacting you. Or do they exactly want? But someone is approaching you for affection because they got it with you or from you from a very long time. That was the biggest support possible. Biggest friendship, biggest support, the strongest one. But also, it shouldn't go with sympathy. Just because they are feeling lonely, then what about you? You also felt that. However, we're going to go with that. Please give us the energy. Souls and spirits. Something is stiff. The decision, and maybe right on your part. Stiff, why? I feel for some cases, that's not your card though, but it is on top of the card that wants to come out. Forgiving and learning. You believed that this was the lesson, okay? Of course, you learned something from that. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. To love even yourself, you need to forgive. You need to learn to let go. Sometimes an apology never comes or it doesn't come. Then what we are going to do? Are we going to cry for years? And we do at times. People do. It takes a lot of time because the break, the wreck that someone did, or the heartbreaks and the destruction that someone did to personality, it is difficult, of course. No one will know, just the person who goes through that. Yes, but this forgiving and learning will help you grow, definitely. Look, now, there's also one card here. We need to know that. This is reconciliation. So it does go with Two of Cups away. Someone from your past is returning to your life. So they might be already here, or they might knock at the door. They are going to be doing the proceedings with like coming out of the fogs and, you know, just messaging you out of the blues, and they are just coming out of the cloud and they want you to react with the same way. Stay optimistic about your love life, okay? What do you want to build now? That depends upon this. What is that you really want? And that's why you're watching, seeing. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Now, faith. Positive thinking, faith. Faith in what you are, faith in what you want to do. So you have religious factors. I heard something went wrong, and that's why separation was there. Maybe you were in deep love with someone or someone wasn't. Now, religious factors is all about, oh, it shouldn't fall, my tiara shouldn't fall, this is connected with reputations and all that concepts and something miscellaneous. This is a miscellaneous expenditure as well at times. But then your love life is influenced by religious upbringing and spiritual paths. Possible thinking was different. Possible religious factors were the issue. Distance and many more things that people don't see prior, and then they see. They bring it in picture because they don't want to stay. They find the reason, okay? I feel this is a lame excuse that they found. Someone found. And then this happened, separation. And now they just want to be back with the people or the energy they had lame excuses with, okay? Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. Like, I'm hearing the word, like someone might tell you or you say that, look, I don't want to be right, I just want to be with you. Your next phase, someone is coming in the picture with great speed here, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Like where we left, I want to talk to you. But it doesn't make sense, honey. We dropped the idea. Okay, but we're going to see. So souls and spirits. What's coming for Aquarius? What is coming for Aquarius? The return of the throne. Like, I want to be at the same place with you the way we used to be. Oh, that's not possible, or that is possible, depends. But this is King of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. It's the past experience or past presence possible for some cases. Or someone is coming in the picture here. Observe, watch. Someone will talk because they want to. Can you see it? Maybe this is a power couple coming in the picture as kings and queens, or maybe you're connecting with someone who is just like the sign that you're dealing, okay? Not the personality, those will be different. It's just about the sign possible. Or somewhere in your chart it falls. An Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Some of you are married to an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or in long-term commitment, okay? This may be in the midst of, but what is that they're trying to say? This Ace of Wands is one karmic connection or whatever connection with one. And then what is the next step? My Ace of Wands is my karma card. So this basically is about how you're going to balance something. How you're going to balance the past and the present, which is definitely possible. This is the same person in a different approach, okay? Now, again, regardless of gender here, male or female, it doesn't matter here, okay? These are general. But I feel that someone is putting out that their wand or action towards you. If this is going to happen, it is about the manifestation that they did prior or you did with them. Now what they are going to do, okay? What picture they are portraying now, because I see the change. Earlier they were like more like stagnant with their thoughts or rigid with their thoughts, or I can do it. And now with the experience and all that stuff, they might be feeling like I need this change, okay? They are more towards you, or they're going to be. And this is someone who is not the reflection of that person, rather the change ambience of that person, okay? If this fits you, just listen to me. This is someone you're observing and watching, because they are also observing you and watching you. Third thing, they are coming in the different light, which is about they are more soft now, more passionate now, more kind of energy, like they went through like a commitment now. Maybe it doesn't affect me anymore, kind of, but what went, okay? Like maybe they're coming with I'm ready, kind of, but what about you? What about you? I'm still not out of those thoughts. I can't explain you, but I'm too much in head. Now they may explain that I'm too much in head and I'm thinking about you. I don't know how to come out of this, because it's always either 50-50. I cannot resolve it, and I know that I did wrong. I couldn't find solution, but though they could, because they were not in the need to do something, or you were not in the need to do something. This situation is about a lot on someone's mind and they want to talk. This may be King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, wanting to resolve something with you, because they're right now fighting with their own battles, okay? Look, now you have Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. I'm also hearing, I know this is like a kind of like a stop, but I feel like a quick approach. Like the Star card, and Aquarius. Now this is a pickup energy for me as well. It's also someone searching, like it's like the direction that they are getting, because they're thinking about you, or because they saw you, or because they came in contact with you. The direction, the North Star, Polaris, if I'm not wrong, okay? If something is wrong, don't get offended. With the Star and Aquarius, you are meeting with someone with the things were stopped. Like you have higher approach, okay, to things here. Definitely you are in the star zone. Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is approach, quick approach. Whatever left, whatever and wherever it was left, quick approach. There's heavy Piscean, but there's also Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Someone is approaching you with the concept of, okay, or maybe you are doing it, however it fits. But with this comes responsibility. And I've been shuffling this deck and I wanted to see whether this comes again and again. It is coming again. This is Temperance, maybe Sagittarius, but this is Temperance, which is about balancing equally, okay, something. Tempering down things. Those were hot and flamey. Those were not right, okay? This is also connection, reconnection. It's about coming together, unions, yin and yang. It is again putting the calm picture to something like water, Aries, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Oh my God, someone is looking towards you. Or you are. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.